Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, I'll show you how to change weapon in Call of Duty Mobile. Whether you're in multiplayer, Battle Royale or the practice range, let's get started. First, from the main menu, tap on the loadout button. You'll find it at the bottom of your screen in multiplayer mode. Once you're in the loadout section, you'll see your current weapons, your primary gun, secondary weapon, and all the other gear. Now to change your weapon, tap on the gun you want to switch out. For example, if you want to change your assault rifle, tap on the primary weapon slot. You'll see a list of all available guns, assault rifles, SMGs, snipers, LMGs, shotguns, and more. Scroll through the categories, tap on the weapon you want and hit equip. That's it. Your new weapon is now active in your loadout. Want to change your secondary weapon? Do the same thing, just tap the secondary slot instead. You can pick a pistol, launcher or melee weapon. You can also customize your weapon with attachments using the Gunsmith option. Just tap the small wrench icon next to the gun to add scopes, grips, barrels and more. Now if you are in Battle Royale, go to the BR loadout tab. Here you can set your custom weapon for the airdrop class. Tap the gun, choose your favorite and save your loadout for Battle Royale matches. And remember, the more you level up, the more guns and attachments you'll unlock. So keep playing and keep experimenting with different weapons. That's how you change your weapon in Call of Duty Mobile. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another tip or tutorial.